Okay, we start with your IELTS speaking test. Do you work or study?
I am a student, and at that moment I am studying from Rifa Institute.
Okay. How many hours do you sleep each night?
Usually, I sleep around 4 to 5 hours because due to my study, I have a lot of quiz and assignments. That's why I not fulfill my sleep.
Okay. Is it necessary to take a nap every day?
In my opinion, nap is very important because when we take a small sleep, we are energized to fulfill and to complete afternoon or evening task. So, in my opinion, it is compulsory for every
Okay,
day.
just try to slow down and focus your fluency and speak in a conversational style. It'll
Okay,
be
sir.
better for you,
Okay,
okay?
sir.
Do old people sleep a lot?
No, in my opinion, old people not sleep a lot because in that age, people mostly disturb and on a little disturbance, on a little whispering, they wake up easily. That's
Okay.
why they
You said old people not.
not
So old people do not.
do not.
And then you said people disturbed. So people are disturbed. You are missing helping verb.
Okay.
Okay, you should focus there.
Okay, sir.
What time do you usually go to bed?
Usually, I go to bed after 12 o'clock because I have a lot of burdens regarding my study and regarding my official and online works. That's why I have not fulfilled my sleep and not go early
And
on
not
that
go early.
and not
I
go
cannot
easy
fulfill my sleep and cannot go early.
and cannot go early.
Okay, just like that. Do you always have a good sleep?
No, always I have not take a good sleep because
Always I have not. No.
always.
I don't always take good sleep. Sentence structure. Okay,
Okay,
so, all right, let me start again. You can answer your way. Do you always have a good sleep?
Always I have not take a good sleep because a lot of domestic issues and on the other hand a lot of study issues. That's why I am not take a good sleep and very disturbed at
All
night.
right, I am not take a good sleep. I have not take a good sleep. Grammatically, these sentences are wrong. It should be I do not take good sleep.
Do not.
Okay, so you should focus your sentence structure.
Yes.
Although your fluency is fine, but sentences have got grammatical mistakes. So I would advise you to repeat all the tenses. And English sentence structure is like subject, verb, object.
Okay, sir.
Focus that carefully. Thank you.